everyone. Welcome to Annie Art Academy. Today's session, let's see how to prepare a Tanjore art board. For that, first we have to take a cotton cloth, a normal Kada cloth, and we should wash it properly so that the starch will be removed and it will be very soft. Step 2, we have to select a wooden piece of width 8 mm to 12 mm, and then you have to check the edges. In order to make the edges more smooth, we have to use sandpaper or emerald sheets, clean, and you have to make the edges smooth. So you take a piece of a paper, fold it, and then level the surface, and it is clean. So you can see the excess dust is removed and the wood is very soft now. And accordingly, check all the edges and level it and clean it properly. Take a Kada cloth and then for an example, I'm taking A4 size wooden piece. So you have to leave all the sides 1 inch extra, and you have to cut the Kada cloth, and you have to cut the cloth. So you can see here how I have cutted it. So just I have folded it and I'm just keeping it in a side. And next what you need is you need a Fevicol or a Bull Bond or any glue which you can able to stick it with. You need any of the glue. So I have purchased a eye bond which is locally available in the hardware. So you can buy any of the glue which is available in your hardware. Fevicol is also fine. You can use locally available Fevicols also. So you can take 2 spoons of Fevicol and add 8 spoons of water in it. So the ratio is always 1:4. So 1 part of Fevicol versus 4 parts of water. So this is the perfect ratio. Mix it without any lumps. Now you can apply this paste in the wooden piece. So in the top of the surface you can apply it everywhere. As you finish applying it everywhere, you can take the normal cotton cloth and remove the starch by washing it in the water, and take a dry cloth and then put it on top of the wooden piece and level it properly. You have to press it properly and turn backside and then level it everywhere, and see the edges whether it has been covered up everywhere. Stretch it properly because this is the place where we are going to do the drawing on top of it. So this should be leveled carefully. So stretch the edges and level it properly, and then turn the board and fold the edges and level it. And at the back side also we'll be applying the same paste what we have prepared, and we'll be leveling it up. Leave it overnight, let it dry for 24 hours, and then we will see the next step what we do. what to do. So you can see it's so clear, we don't have any undulations, and it is very plain. So the board preparation, this is the main and very important step what you have to take care. After 24 hours you can see how beautifully the cotton cloth is pasted on top of the wooden piece. Let's prepare the muck paste. For that, take 2 spoon of chalk powder and 1 spoon of fevicol, and mix it thoroughly without any lumps. Add 2 more spoon of water and mix it properly. Once you mix without any lumps, take a small filter and filter the entire paste and remove all the dust. After filtering it, take the prepared board and you have to select any one direction. You have to select any one side direction and you have to start doing the coating. So you can see how am I doing it, and you can do it in the same way. You can buy one big brush and you can start doing the coating. So if you are doing it in horizontal, please follow the same horizontal way. If you're doing it in the vertical, do it in the same way. So ensure your paste is in a good condition and then start doing the coating. You can coat it slowly. You can coat it in one direction first. So let it be a thick paste and not be very thin paste. Once you complete coating on top of it everywhere, leave it for 6 hours. So the curing time takes minimum of 6 hours to 12 hours depend on the room temperature. Let it dry in the room temperature, and once you finish doing in one coating, you have to do it in the next side. When it get dries, you have to do it in the opposite direction. Repeat the same process for 4 times. So remaining, you will be having the muck paste. You can store it in a container. This paste you can use it for 1 month. So you can see the dry wooden pieces. So it is soft, but still we have some undulated surfaces here and there. You can also use the same emerald sheet what we have used for leveling up the edges, and you can level it up. So how to check the quality of the board? Take a drop of water and pour it on top of the board, and now you can check the board is in the good condition or you've made any mistake. So you can check the quality of the board. So the water is not smudged anywhere and it is not absorbed by the paste what we have prepared, the drop of the water. So this is how you have to check. I'm just wiping and I'm just showing you. So you can see it dried very fast and it is not observed. So you can prepare the Tanjore board in the same process and you can check the quality, and also you can prepare in any of the shape which you wish to do it. So this is how you have to prepare the Tanjore art board in the traditional method.